twisted lunge. Right hand comes down towards the ground or a block. Peel that chest open. We're gonna hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift up and back. Reverse your warrior. You're just going nice, slow, and controlled. And if it's not exactly 4, that's okay. Just flow slowly with your breath, moving in and out. Good. Spin everything back down towards the ground. Now you can step back, down dog, or child's pose. Either option. Take a big breath in. Open mouth, exhale, let it all go. Okay, we're gonna add on. I'm not gonna cue you for the counting now. You can kind of follow at your own pace. I'm just gonna gently add on. Take a nice gentle breath in. Exhale, right leg comes forward. Good, we're holding. Just explore what you're feeling in the movement. Right knee going forward.